Hi everyone, welcome back. I am super excited to share some new Luxie Nail items with you that are releasing today, Friday, April 14th at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. There is new builder gels, dip powders, and even builder gels in a pot. Now here is one of the new builder gels. It is called Lavender, and it is by far the most beautiful shade of lavender, and it's that gorgeous builder gel formula that's HEMA free in a bottle, and I'm just completely in love with this lavender color. It is stunning and it's going to look great. You can totally build this up with 1, 2, or 3 dips. And then here is another color. This one right here, it's called Peach, and it's more of a nude color. And I think this is going to be the most beautiful staple color builder gel that you need in your collection, because it's that neutral peachy color, and it's gonna go great with any mani, and it's gonna look good on your nails with or without dip powder, and it is stunning, and I love this color so much. Stay tuned. We will be doing a builder gel application next week on my channel. And then here's one of the builder gels in a pot, and this one is called Peaches and Cream, and I really like the color of this jar. Can we have a moment for this beautiful light pink? And it's packaged really well. So this is what it came like shipped. It had that tape on the side there, and then when you open up the builder gel in a pot, it also has that protective seal on there. And how beautiful is this peach color? It is the perfect peach with that little bit of orange undertone to it, but it is stunning and I love it so much. And this color right here is amazing, and there's some other colors that are releasing today. There's 4 colors total of the builder gel in a pot, and then there's 4 colors in the builder gel in a bottle, and these colors are must have and super stunning. And this color right here, Peach and Cream, is beautiful. And if you know, I love corals and peaches. That's the color that I gravitate more to. So this color right here is right up my alley, and it is gorgeous, and I cannot wait to play with these builder gels. So we're going to get into the dip powder now. We are going to swatch all 6 of these colors. And I really love the theme of this collection. Now, if you've seen any of the sneak peeks on Facebook, on the Luxie Nail group, you've seen some of these dip powders, and they are stunning, and the theme is amazing. It is, it's like bringing me back to my childhood, and in a really good way. It is Pure Imagination, so it's Willy Wonka like candy colors, which I'm obsessed with. And if you saw the Luxie Nail sneak peek on the Facebook group, the font had like the Willy Wonka hat in there, and I'm so in love with it. If you look at Wizzdoodles, it had like the hat for the W of the Willy Wonka hat, and I'm so in love with it. I just overall think this is such a unique and fun collection, and these colors are great colors, and they're going to be perfect for those hot summer nights or any spring breaks that you have going on. These colors are going to be your jam. So the colors that we're doing today, we're going to be swatching, and I'm only going to be doing 2 dips, and you can see how sparkly, shimmery, and vibrant these colors are. And then we're going to also swatch that really beautiful fine chunky glitter mix called Pure Imagination. So grab a snack, sit back, let's swatch these beautiful powders, and then I'll pop back in at the end. And here are all 6 beautiful shimmery colors swatched. Aren't they gorgeous? I love the name of this collection. Pure Imagination Candy Shimmers is definitely the perfect name. It's giving me all that candy shimmery goodness vibes. It kind of has me feeling like I need some pixie sticks right now, but these colors right here are going to create some beautiful manis, and options are going to be endless when you are creating manis, from a fun Skittles mani to a beautiful ombre. You could do some fun color blocking with that beautiful Pure Imagination glitter. Like I said, options are going to be endless when it comes to these beautiful dip powders, so stay tuned. We will be doing manis on my channel next week featuring these new colors from Luxie Nails, and we will be playing with those builder gels. So let me know in the comments below what colors are your favorite from this new Luxie Nails release, and I'll see you in the next upload.